The contributory effects of applicable minerals and their biochemistry in fighting cancer and other diseases. Be sure to visit our website at gratitudehealing.info. Disclaimer: please note that Gratitude Healing is a news and educational agency and does not offer medical advice. We are simply reporting on results we have observed in others. We do not imply or guarantee this protocol will prevent, reverse, or cure any disease. This is a list of the non-cancerous conditions that have shown in observational results to respond to this protocol. We believe that many of these conditions are caused by immunodeficiency in addition to all types of cancers. What is cancer? Cancer is commonly treated as an outside invader to the body, but unlike a cold, you cannot catch it. Cancer is not a virus, fungus, nor bacteria, so why do conventional treatments try to kill it? The fact of the matter, and one of the most important concepts to understand, is this: your body's DNA actually builds cancer cells. So we should try to work to correct that DNA. Our body is all elements and minerals from the soil. It all starts here. Unfortunately, due to industrial agricultural methods, the use of pesticides and over-farming, the soils of much of the world is depleted of its mineral content. This means the minerals do not wind up in the food that we are eating. Even organic food is deficient due to the growing demand back to organic produce. Conventional land is being converted over to organic. It is possible that just a few years ago, that organic land used to be non-organic and still lacks adequate minerals in its soil and resulting produce. Minerals are absolutely essential for other nutrients like vitamins, proteins, enzymes, and amino acids, as well as fats and carbohydrates to do their jobs. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, most Americans are deficient in chromium, magnesium, and manganese. In 1996, the percentages of zinc in food was at 46% of its already low recommended daily value. Folks, this is why it is critical to supplement with the proper material your body is lacking and to get the rest from the food you eat. Elements become attracted to each other and will form compounds. A familiar example is water, made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. There are also more complex compounds. Compounds combine together to form highly complex structures called amino acids. Your DNA instructions is what provides this complex series of detailed instructions. Besides just building proteins, amino acids combine to form chromosomes, which are related to your genetics. Chromosomes make up your DNA, the instruction manual for your body. It will mass-produce material in your body based on its correct or incorrect instructions. The DNA is the instruction or blueprint read by the body, detailing what elements to use and how to combine and build cells, amino acids, hormones, and chemistries. The molecular lumberyard is the inventory of all various elements and minerals available for the body for these purposes. This is a visual to show the process working correctly, due to adequate elements and minerals. No deficiency is present, so the process produces healthy cells, hormones, amino acids, and a pH of 7.4, slightly alkaline. In this environment, it is not conducive for funguses like Candida, viruses, bacteria, or other organisms to survive. Thus, the body eliminates or regulates these things properly. It does this without the need for other unnatural supplements or detoxes being introduced into the body. Sugar does not feed cancer or Candida. Sugar, as well as all the food you eat, breaks down into glucose. Glucose is an essential nutrient for the body and will increase the amount of reactions taking place within the body. A mineral deficiency due to bad diet without supplementation will cause the body to compromise this process by using other material in place of the missing required material, and the resulting altered cell structure. Chemotherapy and radiation is an additional compromise and will cause additional mineral depletion, resulting in further alterations in cell manufacture. These treatments do kill the cancer, but do not address the underlying cause. In fact, make it worse. If you know someone who has died of cancer, it is possible that they really died of these treatments. However, the official cause of death will still be cancer. The resulting reactions due to incorrect DNA and missing material from the molecular lumberyard will be an acidic pH, making fungal, viral, or bacterial infections prevalent, cancer cell replication by the body, and general ill health and disease. The exact byproduct of this incorrect biochemistry will be based on your chromosomal arrangement of amino acids, or genetics. This runs similar within families, but different among non-relatives. Fortunately, we have seen all these conditions respond as a result of fixing mineral deficiencies. Most clear up completely. Because of these observations, we believe that most of these conditions are caused primarily or solely by a mineral deficiency. Here again is a list of all the conditions shown to have responded to this protocol. Not listed on here are all the different type of cancer conditions which have shown to respond as well. People often tell me, well, it can't be all nutrition. What about toxins and chemicals? And they're right. Chemical exposure, radiation, and other stress on the body will be contributory factors, but evidence suggests nutrition acts as the protector against these forms of stress on the body. Japanese smoke cigarettes more than Americans, but maintain lower levels of lung cancer. How do we explain this mystery? The antioxidants in green tea and other foods eaten by the Japanese are suspected as a protector against the cancer-causing ingredients in cigarettes. Our bodies were built to be exposed to toxins and chemicals. If we have the proper nutrition, our body will break down and remove the toxin or chemical naturally. Evidence you are already aware of is when someone drinks excess alcohol and the body causes them to vomit up the poison. Your body will also eliminate and self-detox in other ways. We do not believe that putting unnatural products or herbs into the body to cleanse is needed, nor is it healthy as it puts unnecessary stress upon the body. Harsh and powerful herbs in colon cleanses will put stress on the nervous system, permanently damage the nerve endings of the intestinal walls, and cause the colon to become even more sluggish over the long term. We sincerely believe that people who promote these cleanses or other external methods of healing are well-intentioned, but simply missing the mark. Please see Part 2 for case studies and testimonials showing evidence of our theoretical foundations, or visit our website, www.gratitudehealing.info.